Hi everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of bathroom essentials with a review of the Titanker shower curtain hooks rings. These might just be the best shower curtain rings on the market right now, and I'm excited to show you why. Let's start with the basics. The Titanker shower curtain hooks rings are crafted from high-quality, rust-resistant metal. They come in a sleek nickel finish, adding a touch of elegance to any bathroom decor. One of the standout features of these rings is their double glide design. This means they have engineered spherical roller balls that allow your shower curtain to glide smoothly and effortlessly along the shower rod. No more tugging or snagging. They're also incredibly sturdy, capable of holding up both your shower curtain and liner with ease. This is thanks to their robust build and strong double hooks. Quality-wise, Titanker hasn't cut any corners. These rings are plated and polished, not only for durability but also to enhance the aesthetic appeal of your bathroom. Customers love how easy these rings are to install and remove, thanks to their thoughtful design. They score high marks for usability and sturdiness, which is reflected in their consistently positive reviews. Now, how do these stack up against other similar products? Well, the Titanker rings stand out for their combination of smooth gliding action, durability, and elegant design. They've earned Amazon's choice for shower curtain rings, and it's easy to see why. Many users have commented on how these rings exceeded their expectations. Whether it's the ease of use, the quality of materials, or the overall value for money, the Titanker rings consistently deliver. In conclusion, if you're looking to upgrade your bathroom with a reliable set of shower curtain rings, I highly recommend considering the Titanker shower curtain hooks rings. They offer a perfect blend of functionality, durability, and style, making them a top choice for bathrooms everywhere. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews like this one. Also, let me know in the comments if you've tried these rings or if you have any questions. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique. Stay tuned for more reviews on the best products for your home and lifestyle. Take care.